Here I am in front of the McGinnis floor plan by Smith Douglas Homes. Right now, they're offering an amazing incentive. Right now, if you use the preferred lender, for the first year, it's 2.99. The second year, 3.99. Years 3 through 30, 4.99, and that is for VA and FHA loans. Now, if you go conventional, you will have a 30-year fixed at 5.5%, which is still significantly better than the standard rate right now. And they give you $20,000 in closing costs. Go ahead, reach out to me so we can find a home that fits your needs, even if this isn't it. But let's go inside and take a look at this 4-bedroom home. So, as I said, today we are touring the McGinnis floor plan by Smith Douglas Home. And they have this home in several places in the greater Charlotte area. The one I like the most right now as far as pricing goes is in Monroe. Now, Monroe is in Union County, and Union County has some amazing schools. When you come in, you have a foyer area. You see you have this dining room, or it could be used as a study as well. I've seen people convert it to that. Then you have a half bathroom downstairs. And if you're looking for new construction that combines open living, flexible spaces, and an unbeatable value, sorry about that, this floor plan deserves a serious look. As you saw, the storage underneath the staircase, the living room, you have an eating area, and then you have this beautiful kitchen as well. Now, if you're looking to move to or within the greater Charlotte area, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I am Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor, and on this channel we cover new construction, we go over the community, and we talk about just real estate, finances, in the greater Charlotte area. My goal is to bring you house tours at least once a week and also talk to you about what's happening in the market as well. Now look at this backyard. You typically do not get a backyard this size if you are anywhere closer to Charlotte. Now it did have a lanai, so you had a covered area. Look at this living room. Now let's go upstairs and take a look at the 4 bedrooms. Now, first thing you notice is that this has a little loft area. You have a laundry room, and right before you get to the laundry room, you have a little linen closet. You have tons of storage in this floor plan. This is bedroom number 1, a good sized bedroom for a kid. And you have a walk-in closet. Now, what I like about this floor plan is that it's just versatile. Not only is it 4 bedrooms, but as you saw, you have the formal dining area that you can use as such, or you can convert it to an office space, or even like a little living room area for the kids. Here in bedroom 2, you have another walk-in closet, good size. Bedroom number 3. Now, they have it positioned as an office. I can see this being a nice office or a nursery. That has the smallest closet of all the bedrooms. And now we're about to go see the primary suite, which is quite stunning. Before we do that, we have the general bathroom with the dual vanity. You have a tub shower combo. Now we're about to go see the primary suite. I got ahead of myself. Look at this tray ceiling. It gives it a very grand feel, and the room just feels large. Now it is a very good size, but it just feels even larger because of the high ceilings. That's a king size bed. You can comfortably put nightstands and oversized furniture in this bedroom. This is the primary ensuite, dual vanity. You do have a shower with a bench in it. Now that has a transom window and tile. Very well thought out, very well designed. You have a water closet and this large primary closet right here. Now you can rip out those shelvings and get a custom closet set in there. It's more than enough space to hold all of your clothes. Now let's take another look at this primary bedroom before we go back downstairs and just look at the openness of the living room, eat-in kitchen area, and the kitchen. If you have any thoughts or any questions or need assistance buying or selling new construction or even a resale here in the Charlotte area, my contact information is in the description and on the screen. I am Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor. I look forward to helping you and talking to you soon.